So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Romy, and we are back with another video. Anyways, I'm back with another video. Today is beautiful outside. I thought I'd do some cool bleaching to some clothing that I have, and I'm trying to drag my mom to join me and do some bleaching to some of her clothes too. So that's the plan for today. So I'm just gonna get some squirt bottles, some rubber bands from the dollar store because I'm missing some, and then we'll get right to it. You guys should always mask up. It literally takes no time. You guys, the bag has been secured. So I got these two at the dollar store, and then I got this one. I'm about to fill it up with some bleach, half water. Hello everyone, so we're gonna do the bleaching now. This is my mom.
Hi.
Say your name.
Hi, I'm Nazi.
We're gonna just show them before, so you guys can do we'll do it before and after, and then we can try on the stuff after.
Thank you.
Okay, so first off, I just had these two halves of a shirt. I used to sell these, but it's a half Calvin Klein, half Nike shirt, and I'm only gonna bleach the black, obviously. This one is a half Adidas, half Nike. I'm gonna bleach the whole thing. It's like a t-shirt dress. It's kind of like the thing I'm wearing now. I did this one 4 years ago, I think, and I used to sell them back in high school. Now they're making a comeback, so works for me. This was just a big hoodie that I popped, and then I moved the pouch pocket to the top, and so I'm gonna bleach this. This was a Gildan t-shirt, like a men's the unisex Gildan t-shirts, and I just turned it into a matching skirt and like little bandosa.
I love this shirt.
Can you talk
But
louder?
I love this shirt, but it has some spots on it.
Yeah, she already bleached it, I think like by accident, or you got oil
No,
in
no,
it.
I didn't bleach it. It's just like it's dirty a little bit with oil. And this is like a summer dress.
Cute.
Okay.
I got two squirter bottles, one for me, one for my mom, and then a spritz bottle if we want to do like a speckled kind of design. So with this one, I kind of want it to be like a random, like bunched up kind of thing. So I think I'm just gonna I have rubber bands. My dog really wanted to get in on the bleaching fun.
No, he's very interested in what we're doing.
Yeah, he's very interested. He wants to be a part of it. He doesn't look very interested. He looks like he's falling asleep. So here is my little skirt set. Over to my mom's for a people shirt, and she's working on little... You have to open it.
I knew that.
You knew that?
Sure. I like Clorox.
Didn't put too much water to bleach.
Ooh.
Why'd you just smell it so
Because it leaked on my head.
Are you trying to get like bleach poisoning?
No.
Actually, bleach a few years ago, I used to do 30 hoodies at once, and I would be in the front of the house. And I got bleach poisoning one time. Like I had a huge rash all over my body. Okay.
Yeah. I remember that.
Yeah, you remember that?
Mm-hmm.
I was the bleach queen in high school. I used to sell my bleach clothes.
Who messed my house all the time?
Yeah, I mean I used to do it inside the house.
And it smells always like Clorox in the bathtub.
Bathtub.
Munchkin.
Oh my god, this is not about Munchkin.
Munchkin, do you want some bleach? What if I bleach Munchkin?
You need to do a whole YouTube about Munchkin. This is a weird seating, Romy. Oh, look at this nail polish. I love it.
Mom, there's people on the internet with foot fetishes. This is a collab. So we just bleached everything over here. We're gonna give it an hour and then we're going to open everything up and wash it and show you guys the final outcome. So we just took the clothes out of the dryer and they look super cute, and we're doing a little try on for you guys. This is the first shirt. This is the half Calvin, half Nike shirt. I just need to crop it a little bit. I think it came out super cool. Here's Mati with her Bleach dress. She put on a fedora to match the outfit. Super cute. Next, I have the half Adidas, half Nike shirt. I'm selling this one. Details will be in the description. But I think it came out really cute. Could be like a t-shirt dress or like an oversized tee. Mati's free people tee came out so cute. I think it actually looks better than what it looked like before.
Agree.
Yeah. But next I have this cropped hoodie that I bleached. I think it's so cute. Definitely did not come out like in the pattern I thought it would be, but it is a little bit like these vertical stripes. Last we have the two-piece set that I sewed from a Gildan t-shirt. I think it came out so cute. This is exactly, I'll show you guys. This is exactly what I was hoping it would look like. Little set action. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.